Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Redfin app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click on my Redfin down here, just click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Click here on app notifications here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on types of notifications. Just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to new your insights. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's menu your insights notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.